right, thank you for joining. Today we'll go over AVAX USDT on the Binance chart. Once again, right, very straightforward video. We're just going to look at this current price action. We don't really have to look too deep into what happened in 2021, besides marking that the all-time high came in at around $147, right? So right now we are clearly in another range. We have claimed the range point of control, and we are targeting the value area high of this range, which also is another area where you have a high volume node, right? So if I go ahead here, you'll see this volume profile right here is the second largest, which is going to be the second largest magnet next to this point of control right here. So that lines up right with the value area high. We do have a local resistance right above us. That's why we're getting this local rejection along with Bitcoin's price action, obviously. Let me go ahead and update this daily really quick. It's been a very long time. Let's see here. All right. So as you can see, right, no areas to enter a long trade. We are at clear resistance, right? Support, support, support. We lost the level, back tested it, failed, came up, failed it again, pushed through, flipped that resistance as support, impulsed higher, where we found a resistance right here. This little cluster of price action was enough for a sell-off, came right back down, tested this level multiple times before essentially losing it, right? So this is a clear support resistance zone, and that's between $30 to $33. So we've hit that level once again. Right now, I would not be taking any longs. I'd be looking at a lower time frame to see where the next best area to long would be. And as you can see, this previous month high is a local support zone, right? So resistance flips to support. So if we go ahead here, let's just say pull this, that's going to be your next local support, right? You could also consider here as well, if we do get a sell-off to the downside, we can possibly sweep these lows, reclaim it, and then move higher. But in my opinion, the best long trade, if this level does not hold, will be to come down to here, right? Fill this inefficiency right here before moving higher. So not much to really go over besides that. Look to target $35. We need to flip $33 into support, which is still technically right below the value area high. So we're going to see how this plays out. But then, yeah, then the next target would be $65, which is 120% higher. So that's pretty much it, right? Very straightforward, nothing crazy. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you see any projects you'd like me to go over, leave a comment down below. But right now, in my opinion, best support comes in at around $27. I'd be looking for longs if we flip $33 into support. Even better if we can start trading above $37, aiming for that $65 high. Thank you for joining, and take care.